This wig is super thick. I only need 5 items to perfect this look. Band, spray bottle, curl mask, hot comb and blow dryer. Lay the band and spray water. Spray, 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 and spray again. Now use your wig brush and brush through. Use your thumbs if you wear nails. Distribute it evenly through your wet curls. Now it's time to diffuse. I see the white girls do it like this. So here goes that. Honestly, feel like this is a waste of time, because what is it actually doing? And don't say drying your hair, because I know that. This is getting boring. Make sure everything just laid properly. Yes, it's glueless. Add a bit of makeup to the lace.